Hello team, my name is Poojitha and today I'm going to present my project that is AI powered cricket cover drive analysis. So what this project does is it analyzes a cover drive and provide actionable insights for improving technique. So this project is mainly based on Python, so which process a full cricket video in real time and performs pose estimation frame by frame and also computes key biomechanical metrics and produces a video with overlays and outputs of final evaluation. So this is my project folder. Here you can see this is my main file and this is my readme. You can get all the information about the project in readme. It may be features or overview or how this project has been done and what are the steps we took and so on. Next is requirements. So in this project we have took one input. So the input for this project is like a full length cricket video. For demonstration I have downloaded the video from YouTube short, locally named it as input.mp4.webm. So the script processes the entire video sequentially, so no manual screenshots or keyframes are required. Let's play this video once.
शॉट लड़के
So as you can see, there is no analysis over here. It is just a plain video. So let's run the file. First, we are installing dependencies, and it has satisfied all the dependencies. Next on, we will run the main file. So here you can see I am running the main file of my project and also including the source, that is input mp4.webm. You can also rename it as just mp4 input or something like that. So let's run this. It just takes 1 second of time and later you can see the analyzed video here, an evaluation which is in JSON format, the report in HTML, and also the smoothness in PNG. Let's go into video first. Okay, so you can see here the analysis, the pose and the elbow and the head stability, spine lean, all these. You can see the analysis over here. You can also download this and we can also choose the playback speed as well. The next one is evaluation. You can see it in terminal as well and we have created the file particularly for that. Here we can see frames processed, the scores, and about elbow angle or spine lean and head stability, and the comments. We can also grade it as beginner. If you can get one more video, you can analyze advanced as well. So next is smoothness. So here we can see smoothness over time. This is for angle and this is frame by frame. You can have a clear analysis for this. So next we can run the report of HTML. So let's run it. First we have to change the directory to output. Then we will run this file. So as you can see here, it is already running in background. So as you can see here, we can just write it as HTTPS localhost 8000. It gives you the whole folder of output. If you don't want that, we can just write it as slash report HTML, so that you can see the whole report. Cover drive analysis, the date and the time, scores, comments, skill grade, smoothness chart. You can see all of this in report.html. So, so let me go through the code. Hey, so let's talk about the code now. So at first we can see that here we are importing libraries. CV2 for video reading, writing and overlays. MediaPipe is for pose estimation, and NumPy is for math and angles. JSON for saving evaluation results, and Matplotlib for smoothness charts. And next we can move on to argument passing. That is, so over here we have returned source argument, correct? So what we are doing is we allow the user to pass a video path using source argument. So that is, next is media pipe pose setup. So what we do is over here, so we initialize media pipe pose for frame by frame key point extraction. That is where this comes. So the next would be about video processing. So video processing handles, so here we can see video processing. We open the input video and create an output video writer. So frames are processed sequentially. Each frame is converted from BGR to RGB for mid pipe, and we can see that code over here. Frame height is given and frame width are mentioned. So this is mainly to convert BGR to RGB. The next one is pose extraction and metrics. So here what we do is, for each frame we extract landmarks for shoulders, maybe elbow, wrist, hips, knees and ankles. So what we do is that as it gives more components, maybe like not only elbows or head, it gives hips, wrist and all those. There are many of the points, so we have come down to only three, so that spine includes most of it. So only elbow, spine and head are included in here. We also overlay the skeleton and matrix on each frame in real life. So the next is smoothness chart. What we do here is we track frame to frame angle changes to compute smoothness and also save the chart as smoothness.png so that there won't be any more confusions on that. And we also generate, as you can see here in the report HTML, we also generated the HTML file to show the proper documented report. So after running the whole script, we can get a video, evaluation file and report and smoothness. So the system processes each frame and annotates it and computer metrics and also produces the final outputs. The processes speed is displayed as FPS. We can see that in live. You can clearly see now the red dots and the whole skeleton is being analyzed. So, in summary, Athlete Rise successfully analyzes cover drives with real time pose estimation, biomechanical metrics, and also video overlays, smoothness tracking, and evaluation reports. So, I have done bonus features which includes smoothness charts and an HTML report. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to learn more and explore more on this. Thank you so much for the opportunity and thank you for watching.